So guys, instead of making this channel to be so dormant, permit me to share vlogs on different locations in this place. Yes, I'm currently in Niamey, that's in Niger Republic. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Unique Nelo. Yes, I'm the CEO of Unique Creativity. Actually, on this my channel, I've been posting videos on how to make different haircare. But something happened. My husband just woke up one Monday morning and said, guys, you're traveling with me on Wednesday. He said, Wednesday, like next week. He said, no, next tomorrow. See marathon. You need to see marathon. So how many days do I have? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All I had to do was I was able to shave my reverse. Yes. So in this video you'll be watching how to make knotless braids. It's just a quick tutorial. It's not well detailed. It's not well detailed. Detailed. So it's not well detailed. It will show you how to make knotless braid. Also, how my trip went on. Like it was 2 days on the road. This is the longest trip. This longest trip I ever got myself into. And I've given you back-to-back videos of interesting locations within Niamey. It's a promise. But once I get back to Nigeria in Anambra State, I'll get back to my materials and I'll teach you how to do different hair gear. Please bear with me. Just stay here for like 1 month. 1 month. I find this place enjoyable. Guys, my stay till December. But don't mind me. That definitely I will not fail you guys.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one.
Your hair, I want my hair. Yee, let me see very well. Yee. If I want to go to
Niger.
Yay! So, hooray! Okay. Even not fire here.
Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'm that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.